How to create an invoice on Monday.com. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through Monday.com and how you're easily going to be able to create an invoice in this most simplest way. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and check the link down in the description below because that will provide you with a free Monday.com account. Now, once you have gone ahead and set it up your whole Monday.com, what you're going to want to do over here is you're going to come over to new workspace. Right beside it, you have an add item to workspace. So you're going to click on this, and once you basically do that, what you're going to do from there is you can either go over to the template center or any other place. So we're going to go over to the template center and you are going to go ahead and search up invoice. Now, it depends on you if it's an invoice request or a proper invoice. I'm going to go with simple invoice and click on use template. Now, once we've done that, it says creating your board templates. So we're simply going to wait for this to load up. And again, if you want to use these features for yourself, make sure to check the link down in the description below to get yourself started off. Now, once we've done all of that, as you can see, this creates our invoice. And once our invoice is created, you can go ahead and start editing the details according to yourself because at the end of the day, it is a template that you can tamper as much as you want. You can also change your invoice details from this section right over here. So basically, that's pretty much about it. So again, if you want to use this platform, check the link down in the description below, and that is all from me. So drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.